Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. So today I'm unboxing this Redragon mechanical keyboard. It has Cherry MX blue switches. It is their k552. I got it on Amazon for around $44 and we're just gonna unbox it, see what it sounds like, see how it goes, and yeah, let's get into it. First off, this is the first of a 3-week kind of series. Today I have the keyboard. Next week I'm gonna be unboxing a new gaming chair, and the week after that is gonna be kind of like the lead up to my new gaming laptop that I'm gonna get. So it's really nice. 3 weeks worth of content coming up, and just kind of stay tuned for it and let's get this thing rolling. So off the bat, the box looks very nice. The keyboard's very nice. It says it's a 60% on the Amazon listing, but it's actually a TKL, which means 10 keyless. So basically what that means is 60% will only have this. I'm trying to get the glare out. We'll only have this, and TKLs have this added bit, but none of them have the number panel over here. So that's basically what that means. It does have LED backlit, RGB. Let's open it. US made, US layout, blue switches, Cherry MX blue, which is nice. I like that they're Cherry MX because those are very nice. Good switches. Using my knife to open it. This is I don't even know. I can't read that. It's like a weird lettering that they put on it. Can't read it. This doesn't want to open. What the heck? Oh, I might be doing it wrong. I probably am. On. There we go. Okay, I got it. So when you open the box, it's nice. It's a lot of bubble wrap, which means your keyboard is nice and protected. It's fairly small, but I like that about it. That's a good little feature. Taking it out of the box, you just lift this piece up. It's going to be folded up in like a little square shape, covering the cords. You just lift that up. Comes with that. So this is wired. It is not wireless. There's nothing else in the box, by the way. It's just this. But you have your cord. Comes with a little I forget what they're called, but to keep it together, which is nice. Wow, this is manual. It's always good to have. This is nice. And comes with a Redragon sticker. This is nice. So it comes with little feet that you can pull out and set it down on your table to keep it elevated. Let me go ahead and put this back. Oops. So, very nice. The keys are a good size. So again, this is a TKL, so it doesn't have the number plate right here. I don't have anything to plug it in right now. I'll add a clip of that with the RGB at the end of the video. But the sound of it sounds nice. I mean, everything works. Like, the keys feel nice. They feel like pretty high quality. You have all your normal stuff. I mean, it's a nice keyboard. This cord, it's tied right here to make it a bit shorter, but you can untie that, and it looks like there's quite a bit there, so it'll stretch, which is good. yeah, I mean, feels nice. Not much I can really say about it. I don't really know what to say about it, but I mean, feels nice. It feels like a sturdy keyboard. It's plastic, but it feels like a pretty high quality plastic. Doesn't feel like cheap plastic. Not really much wobble if I put pressure on it from the back, like nothing there, no wobble. So honestly, for 44 bucks, from what I can feel right now, feels like a nice keyboard. I mean, I don't know what to really say about it. Feels great. I'll add in the clip of the RGB in a moment. But thank you for watching this video. Again, stay tuned for the chair and the laptop. Those are gonna be good. This video is pretty short, but I mean, I don't really have much to say about it. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and tell me what y'all, tell me some video ideas. I mean, I'm always looking for ideas, man. So, I don't know. I guess that's it for this video. I'll throw in the RGB clip around here, but thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, so I was looking at the manual, and it tells you the backlighting modes. Okay, so I'm just gonna run through them all real quick. There's a bunch, actually. So this is the first one. You press FN, and then INS. That's one. And then you just press it again, the INS. Takes you to the second one. And then press it again, and that's the third one. So there's only 3 per one, and they're all right here, the FN and these. Next is, if you press home, these are kind of cool. So you let go, and when you type a key, they do that. And FN, home, it just kind of flickers on that one thing. FN, home, and it goes across the line. So that one's really cool. And then PG up. It's pretty cool. This is my first time seeing them too. That one was interesting. Next is Dell. Delete. So this is kind of when you first plug it in, this is like the default one. Next one. And the last 3. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna leave it on this one. I kind of like the way it looks. It's the default one, but whatever. Alright, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time. Peace.